Kuki women stopped Central Forces from carrying out search operation in various places of Kangpokpi district following the attack by Kuki militants in peripheral areas the past 5 days, and after 4 persons including Impact News cameraman Eld Kabichandra had sustained injuries yesterday. Combined team of BSF and CRPF tried to conduct search operations in various places of Kangpokpi district situated at the adjoining of Kangpokpi, Sanasabi, Kangpokpi and Santi-Khongbal area of Imphal East this morning. The attempt of security forces failed as security forces attempted to dismantle the bunkers and temporary camps of Kuki militants in Kangpokpi. Uyokching, large number of Kuki women came out and intercepted the security forces. Women protesters pelted stones at security personnel and chanted them and chased them away and chanting slogans like "Go back, Indian Army." On the other hand, locals of Sanasabi, Kangpokpi, Kangpokpi, Santi-Khongbal and Sabungkok expressed displeasure on the failure of Central Forces to carry out search operations.